You to motorcycle permit practice test 4.
Question 1. While your feet are on the footrests, you should avoid
Riding on slippery surfaces. Using the handbrake. Pointing your feet downwards. Turning corners.
Answer.
Pointing your feet downwards.
Question 2. You should cover the clutch and brake whenever you want to.
Alert others of your actions. Slow down. Change to another lane. Reduce your reaction time.
Answer.
Reduce your reaction time.
Question 3. When stopping or slowing down, the most effective method is to use
the rear brake only. Engine braking only. The front brake only. Both brakes.
Answer.
Both brakes.
Question 4. To prevent colliding with a hazard in the center of the lane, which lane position should you ride in?
Left or right? Right. Center. Left.
Answer.
Left or right?
Question 5. If there are 2 or more motorcycles riding together, they should ride
single file. In a staggered formation. In pairs. In a V formation.
Answer.
In a staggered formation.
Question 6. When riding in a group, you should never
pair up. Put a beginner near the front. Pass vehicles in front of you. Ride single file.
Answer.
Pair up.
Question 7. When parked beside a curb, your motorcycle should be positioned
with the back wheel on the curb. Parallel to the curb. At an angle with the back wheel to the curb. With the front wheel on the curb.
Answer.
At an angle with the back wheel to the curb.
Question 8. The rear brake provides of the motorcycle's stopping power.
Half. 3/4. 1/4. All.
Answer.
1/4.
Question 9. Why are gravel roads potentially dangerous for motorcycle riders?
Gravel provides less traction than pavement. Other cars are known to drive recklessly. Lane markings are not present. They do not have posted speed limits.
Answer.
Gravel provides less traction than pavement.
Question 10. Help stabilize your motorcycle in a turn by
pulling in the clutch. Decreasing the throttle. Applying the rear brake. Increasing the throttle.
Answer.
Increasing the throttle.
Question 11. If you are about to slow down in an unexpected area, you should
use your signal light. Flash your brake light. Use your front brake only. Use the left lane portion only.
Answer.
Flash your brake light.
Question 12. When carrying a passenger, your motorcycle will
respond quicker than normal. Easily tip over. Respond slower than normal. Respond the same as without a passenger.
Answer.
Respond slower than normal.
Question 13. You can help other vehicles notice that you are slowing down by
using signal lights, flashing your brake light, swerving from left to right, honking your horn.
Answer.
Flashing your brake light.
Question 14. If you are riding with a group of motorcycles, is it safe to share a lane?
Yes, because motorcycles are smaller than cars. No, because it is illegal to share a lane with a vehicle. No, because sharing a lane will not leave enough room for you to maneuver. Yes, because you can communicate with each other better.
Answer.
No, because sharing a lane will not leave enough room for you to maneuver.
Question 15. When traveling in a group, you should never ride
2 abreast. With more than 3 motorcycles together. In a staggered formation. Single file.
Answer.
2 abreast.
Question 16. Is prohibited when riding downhill?
Shifting gears. Increasing your speed. Coasting in neutral gear. Slowing down.
Answer.
Coasting in neutral gear.
Question 17. What is a hazard that you must watch for when being passed by another vehicle?
All these answers are correct. Wind blasts from larger vehicles. Extended side mirrors. Objects being thrown from windows.
Answer.
All these answers are correct.
Question 18. You should downshift through the gears when you.
All these answers are correct. Need more power to accelerate. Need to slow down. Are approaching a stop sign.
Answer.
All these answers are correct.
Question 19. As a motorcycle rider, how many positions do you have available in a single traffic lane?
2, 3, 1, 4.
Answer.
3.
Question 20. What does the SIP driver judgment acronym stand for?
C. Identify, proceed, direct, examine. C. Identify, predict, decides, examine. Scan, identify, predict, decide, execute. Scan, identify, proceed, direct, execute.
Answer.
Scan, identify, predict, decide, execute.
Question 21. The best lane position for being seen.
Is the right lane position? Is the left lane position? Is the center lane position? Changes depending on the situation.
Answer.
Changes depending on the situation.
Question 22. Use your feet to maintain balance by
skimming them above the ground, pointing your toes downwards, holding them away from the motorcycle, keeping them on the footrests.
Answer.
Keeping them on the footrests.
Question 23. If you take a turn too fast, you may end up
obstructing the view of vehicles behind you, crossing into another lane of traffic, tipping over while riding, destroying your tires.
Answer.
Crossing into another lane of traffic.
Question 24. Which lane position should you ride in when passing parked cars?
The center. The right. The right or center. The left.
Answer.
The left.
Question 25. You brake hard on a straightaway and your rear brake locks.
Pull the kill engine switch. Release the brake and only use the front brake. Release all brakes and coast to a stop. Continue braking until the motorcycle stops.
Answer.
Continue braking until the motorcycle stops.
Question 26. The edge of the road is dangerous for motorcycles because
the pavement is poor quality. There is poor visibility. Dirt and gravel provide little traction. It is not driven on often.
Answer.
Dirt and gravel provide little traction.
Question 27. You can be sure another driver will yield to you when
they make eye contact with you. They are beginning to slow down. You are legally entitled to the right of way. You can never be sure a driver will yield to you.
Answer.
You can never be sure a driver will yield to you.
Question 28. If railroad tracks run parallel to your lane and you need to cross them, you should
cross at the smallest angle possible. Cross the tracks at a 45-degree angle. Wait until the next intersection. Cross the tracks at a 90-degree angle.
Answer.
Cross the tracks at a 45-degree angle.
Question 29. When braking on slippery surfaces, you should
use the rear brake only. Use both brakes. Use the front brake only. Always coast in neutral.
Answer.
Use both brakes.
Question 30. Rising off the seat slightly
helps use your knees and elbows to absorb shock. Is prohibited while riding motorcycles. Should only be done by experienced drivers. Should be done to fix a wobble.
Answer.
helps use your knees and elbows to absorb shock.
Question 31. The press step of turning means that you press
the front or rear brake, your feet on the foot pedals, in the clutch, the handle of the direction you are turning.
Answer.
The handle of the direction you are turning.
Question 32. Motorcycle brake lights are not as noticeable as car brake lights. What can you do?
Use your high beam. Avoid driving at night. Flash your brake light. Install extra lights.
Answer.
Flash your brake light.
Question 33. When riding with a passenger, what should you expect?
Your motorcycle will take longer to stop. You will be unable to pass other vehicles. You will get better gas mileage. You will be unable to carry cargo.
Answer.
Your motorcycle will take longer to stop.
Question 34. The front brake is operated by
the left foot lever, the right hand lever, the left hand lever, the foot pedal.
Answer.
The right hand lever.
Question 35. The best protection from motor vehicles is
using your high beam, wearing protective clothing, maintaining a space cushion, choosing the right helmet.
Answer.
Maintaining a space cushion.
Question 36. How does carrying a passenger change your motorcycle?
The motorcycle takes longer to react to changes. Passengers make the motorcycle go faster. They help balance the motorcycle. Slowing down will be faster.
Answer.
The motorcycle takes longer to react to changes.
Question 37. During normal turns,
the rider should lean the opposite direction of the motorcycle. Both rider and motorcycle should remain upright. The rider should lean with the motorcycle. The rider should remain upright while leaning the motorcycle.
Answer.
The rider should lean with the motorcycle.
Question 38. Because riding a motorcycle is more tiring than driving a car, you should
drink caffeinated beverages. Avoid wearing dark eyewear. Avoid drinking water. Take frequent breaks.
Answer.
Take frequent breaks.
Question 39. What is the best lane position for being seen?
The center of the lane. The right part of the lane. The best lane position changes depending on the situation. The left part of the lane.
Answer.
The best lane position changes depending on the situation.
Question 40. You can increase your safety when riding at night by
riding the center lane position. Following vehicles closely so you can see better. Skimming the road with your feet as you ride. Increasing your following distance.
Answer.
Increasing your following distance.
Question 41. In order to avoid hazardous situations you should
Avoid carrying passengers. Watch other vehicles. Be able to swerve. Search the road ahead.
Answer.
Search the road ahead.
Question 42. What is the best way to identify bumps in the road when driving at night?
Use the lights of the car ahead of you. Only drive where there are street lights. Scan the road often. Use your high beam.
Answer.
Use the lights of the car ahead of you.
Question 43. To stop as quick as possible, you should
Use either brake while swerving the motorcycle. Use the front brake only. Use both brakes at the same time. Use the rear brake only.
Answer.
Use both brakes at the same time.
Question 44. If parked next to a curb, should be touching the curb.
Both wheels. No wheels. The front wheel. The rear wheel.
Answer.
The rear wheel.
Question 45. The lane positions available to a motorcycle are
Position 1, 2, 3, and 4. Center only, there is only one lane position. Left and right. Left, center, and right.
Answer.
Left, center, and right.
Question 46. To turn your motorcycle, you should press on the hand grip in the direction of the turn and
Lean in the direction of the turn. Lean the opposite direction of the turn. Keep your body straight. Pull in the clutch.
Answer.
Lean in the direction of the turn.
Question 47. Ride more safely at night by
Reducing your speed and decreasing your following distance. Increasing your speed and increasing your following distance. Increasing your speed and decreasing your following distance. Reducing your speed and increasing your following distance.
Answer.
Reducing your speed and increasing your following distance.
Question 48. In order for the driver of the vehicle ahead of you to see you easily, the best lane position is
The center. Any lane. The right. The left.
Answer.
The center.
Question 49. Riding decreases your chances of being seen
While using your high beam. In residential areas. Near other motorcycles. Alongside other vehicles.
Answer.
Alongside other vehicles.
Question 50. If your motorcycle will take longer to stop, you should
Increase your speed. Decrease your following distance. Increase your following distance. Change lanes.
Answer.
Increase your following distance. Thank you for watching the video and wish you will get your driver license soon.